Yeah.
The difference is, coming the other way, you've got a filter light, so it's a bit easier. This is the hard way.
Yeah, there's a filter light that way.
Yeah. So, two in a bed, wait at the white line if you're number 3. Because the chances are, I mean, I've even dropped into neutral because I know the lights are going to change them. Because the filter light's that way. So we've gone red, so they'll go red in a minute, and then they'll be able to go just after. But these coming this way, look, these are on a filter light. But when we go, we've got no filter light. So we've now got the chance, and the camera's got a chance to see the 3 lanes, which you very rarely get, and that shows us that we've got a right, a head and a left. So what we're going to do when we turn right, we've got to get into a position as far to the right as we can to see the middle lane and the left lane where the lorry's going. So you can see the black car's turning right, the lorry's turning left. Fortunately for us, a lorry will always block the middle lane as well, so that's made it even easier. However, we've got to give way to him, and he's going to have people behind him. So there is, where this centre reservation in front of us on the right, where the offside of that curb line is, there's a white line that runs along that's faded. Can you see it?
Yeah.
We're going to get our front wheel up to that white line. We don't need to get as far into the middle as we can. As soon as we pass this centre reservation, we're moving up to that white line to give us the best visibility down the road without blocking them from coming down here. Okay? So as always with all traffic lights and crossroads, we're checking the mirrors before we go for filtering traffic, and then we're scanning the crossroads for emergency services and bank robbers. And now we're getting as far up to this white line as we can, indicator back on. So I can't get any further because that bus needs to come through. But I've got visibility of both their lanes. I'm not bothered about the cars behind me. I'm not bothered whether they've got halfway in, or that's up to them. I've got into my position. The further I get up there, the less angle of a vision I've got down that road. So I've got a light blue Yaris coming, then I've got a gap. So I'm looking into the road, and now I'm going, because I've got the vision. So even if that was green or not, I've got time to go, but he was slowing down to a stop. But I was able to make that decision early because I'd set myself back and over. That's the key to it. Yeah?